Hello friends, welcome again on my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Hopefully you are all is fine, and me too is fine as well. Thank God. Yeah, today I have a problem with the Nokia phone. This screw is stripped. I can't open with the screwdriver. So today I will use needle file. I have two needle files, different type. One is triangle one and one is square one. I can use both as well on this, but now you can use the both as well if you want, depend on the condition, but mostly I'm using the triangle one. This screw is stripped. I will use triangle one, and I will show you how you can open the screw. Let's start. Yeah, I will start rubbing here for one part. After then, when we'll be ready, I can open with the straight screwdriver. Don't move the situation, just stay there one place and use triangle needle file. Yeah, I think so. Now it's okay. I think this is straight one. I will put it there. Yeah. Now start moving. Yeah. Just a little bit hardly. You need to use screwdriver. Yes, the job is done now. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you. I need your help for subscribe. There you need to do my help. Hopefully see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.